Find features that distinguish it from other brands for RERIOU 2025New Seauto SAT20 Pool Vacuum. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Click and forget. Seauto SAT20 Robotic Pool Cleaner can one-click start for no complicated setup, no confusing starting process. Start it and throw it into the water to start working. Sonar Navigation. Seauto SAT20 Robotic Pool Cleaner automatically picks up debris and uses sonar route planning to navigate to cover the entire pool while minimizing cleaning time by following an intelligent path. Avoiding unnecessary overlaps and miss. Wall cleaning. Seauto SAT20 supports wall cleaning. It automatically cleans the floor, walls, and waterline, adjusting to various pool shapes and surfaces for a tailored cleaning experience perfect for robotic pool cleaner users. Versatile cleaning modes. Offering multiple cleaning modes, this robot pool vacuum for above-ground pools can tackle pool floors, walls, and even steps with ease. It runs up to 150 minutes per charge, covering up to 2,000 square feet, and can clean a 500 square feet pool up to 4 times on a single charge, ensuring comprehensive and efficient cleaning for any pool size. All types of pools. Seauto SAT20 Robotic Pool Cleaner, your ultimate solution for in-ground and above-ground pool cleaning. Whether you own a round, kidney, rectangle, or uniquely shaped pool, constructed with vinyl, concrete, tile, or fiberglass, the Seauto Crab Pool Vacuum Robot effortlessly cleans all types of pools up to 2,000 square feet. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.